Kurumirira mutino wa mwaki cukuru-ini wa HILLSIDE Academy ENDARASHA NYERI, arutwo 18 nimekiritwo mukonde gukũ thutha wa murutwo umwe uria urarehirwo thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta kuhotwo ni nguraro cia mahia. Riboti ici iheanitwo ni mwaria wa Thirikari Isaac Mwaura uria uma cukuru-ini uyu mari na minister wa githomo Julius Migos Ogamba.
As we were actually inside there, the DCI and the government pathologist, they are still collecting evidence and classifying it in such a coordinated manner. They need to get the coordinates of who was sleeping where, how and how. It's a bit intricate. So we expect, if at all there are fatalities, to recover more bodies. So this is not conclusive. That is why the investigations are ongoing.
Mwaura athiete na mbere kuuga arutwo 66 aria maratwarirwo thibitari guthurimwo makiria ni mahetwo ruthana no na mari thibitari ona gutuika matiri ugwati-ini. MIHANG'O ya gutabania DNA ni gukurana miiri ya ciana ici ni itanyitwo kwambiriria muthi wa Jumatatu thibitari-ini wa Naromoru kuria aciari moritio magikinyia guku igongona ria mahoya rigitabanio muthenya wa rucio.
Ngenda guthaitha andu aitu na ndemorie ni tondu wa uritu uria uriho meterere andu aria maratumira nyamu icio ciitagwo DNA, government pathologist na aria angi mathie magithuthuragia nginya marituhe na mbere yagiriire.
Riboti cia kwaga kwa arutwo 70 ta uria munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua aratariirie itirira itherana. Mwaria wa Thirikari Isaac Mwaura arauga ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune rurarumanirira na kumenya kuria mari indi mutabania wa ihinda wa MIHANG'O ya thirikari gitaro-ini gia gatagati wa bururi Pius Murugu ni uritie aciari ona andu angi mangikorwo mari na ciana ici mahura riboti cukuru-ini uyu.
Na kuri twana tumwe ringi twaumire guku tugithie mundu akoya gake na kaonge aria mangikorwo mekite uguo ni turamahoya mahure thimu ya 1199 niyo ya Red Cross nigetha maripoti ati mena twana tuu na nigetha tugitara twana turia tureciria ni tuwe haria turi tukorwo tukimenya kuria twana tuikaire.
Representing the government to come back to you with some more accurate figure as soon as the investigators give us the numbers, because right now ladies and gentlemen, 156 boys are the ones in the room. Please, any number in between, allow us to come back to you.
Ihinda-ini riu wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Renson Gonga ni athite uthuthuria wa kana ni kuri na mitaratara ya ugitiri wa arutwo yagararitwo. Ndumiri-ini yake Gonga ugite mutino uyu ni urumurite ironda cia muthemba uyu macukuru-ini mangi bururi-ini na kaingi uthuthuria weko maingi matikoragwo mahingitie mitaratara ya ugitiri. Riu akiuria Inspector General munyitiriri Gilbert Masengeli atafania uthuthuria wa naihenya. Munini wake Minister wa githomo Julius Migos Ogamba ni ahenete mukana wa kuhungura macukuru guthurima
whether they do drills to ensure that they are prepared, they are supposed to. As to whether or not it is done on a regular basis is part of the investigation that we are going to do. And I can assure you that part of the investigation that we are going to do is to do a self-audit of the ministry. Have we as a ministry been doing what we are supposed to do in confirming that these regulations and these policies are followed.
MIHANG'O ya kumiriria na kuhe aciari motaro ma kimeciria igithiaga na mbere. Governor wa kaunti no Mutahi Kahiga ona akiugite ihinda ni ikinyu mawatho ma kuramata wigiririki na ugitiri wa arutwo murikwo na ningi agacokeria andu a wendi mwega ngatho. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.